Hey everybody, same snowy day. It's a different day for you guys. I am actually gonna schedule this out a couple days ahead. I like to do that way. I always have content out there for you guys, and it's a little easier on me. I don't have to record. I can record all in one day, do 3 videos, and then have 3 different days worth of videos. But this is another intro to another one of my builds that I've been working on. This one I did the same. I kind of painted a whole bunch of stuff, got it all ready, and then kind of worked on it here and there. I've been working on the Camaro mostly right now, but this is the other build I got. Let's see. So this is that cool SCCA race car, the Mustang. There's a few of them out that are the same kit with different decals. This is the JPS version. It's a pretty cool kit from what I get to see so far. I got a good amount done so far. So this is the body. Now this one here I think is, so there's 2 pieces here on the bottom on both sides. There's 2. Then there's the back. So that's 3. I think there's 4 pieces in this. Now, in the instructions, they tell you to glue these pieces on the base piece, which is this piece. They actually glue on right here and go like this. Now, on the box art, they show that body all in one piece. They don't show it on here. So the guy who built it had the same idea as me, that built it for pictures. One, I didn't want to have to cut all these decals up and have them all separate pieces. And 2, they have these cool details down here. I don't want to cover them all up. The real car would have been like this one here. It would have came off. Those covers would have came off too. So I wanted it more like the real car. So, but here's the hood. It's been a few days. It feels sticky, but I think it's just the gloss coat, and you can see my fingers kind of leaving some scratches in there. No, it is still sticky. I just put a damn fingerprint in it. This has been sitting for 3 weeks. So I guess it's still a little tacky. It's more likely I'm going to set this one off. There's a poster tag in there. I'm going to set this one probably by the heater vent, not too close. It don't get hot enough to really mess with it, but to help cure it. So that way I can get it ready for decals. I'll put decals on it and then put some of that Testors wet look clear on it. Encase those in there. I really don't like leaving the decals unprotected. But for the roll cage, I did paint that. I got to do a lot of detail painting on these. I went with yellow. I think they went with stainless steel, but I figured the team probably gonna want a little accent in there with that black. And that way I got some variations of colors. And the chassis as well. So it'll kind of look like that. So it's got some contrast to it. It's going to look pretty good. These spots in the center here, I haven't decided on if I'm going to hand paint those steel or aluminum, I mean. Do that one in aluminum, you know, give it some contrast, or just leave it yellow. Easy way out's yellow, but I don't know if it'll look better the other way too. And there's some lines here. I don't know if that's the shock reservoir, the gas shock or not. I have to do a little research on it. So I got that. And then this one has some wires coming around. So I have to hand paint those. Give those a nice look. I do got a lot of the flat parts painted. A lot of flat black. Gotta do a lot of small detail painting on that. That takes some time. And then here's the decal sheet. Plenty of decals. So there's a lot of work in this kit. Usually are in these race ones. So try to take my time on it and get it right. Then I had this canister that's on the back. Really couldn't get that seam out of there without really hacking it up. I can't remember if I glued it first and then painted it. But it's not even at the right angle. They had a locating pin in there and I got it tied into that, so I really don't know if it's something I did or it just molded wrong. I don't think I'm going to see it too much, so I figured I'd just leave it like that. And then this part here, I'm going to still leave that the same color. I was thinking about painting that the yellow. I really don't want to mask this whole thing off for just that little bit. So that's how that build's going so far. It's kind of a slow build. It's going to take a while. So you might see an update in a little while. Might be kind of long with the group builds I'm going to try to do. And the other car I'm trying to work on, I think the Camaro, I'm going to try to get that one done first. And then work on this one. Just because it needs so much attention. And I'll probably wet sand this body before the next step. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, till next time. I'll talk to you later.